Hi students, today we are going to learn the chapter name probability. Probability already we know. You know the meaning of probability. Probability means 50-50 chances. May or may not. Like these words, chances are high. Most probably it may rain or may not rain. We guess 50-50 chances. Probability, that is called probability. Probability definition, it is the concept which numerically measures the degree of certainty of the occurrence of an event. Certainty of occurrence of an event. Event means what we are thinking. Probability of occurrence of an event. Probability of occurrence of an event. In a random experiment, let S be the sample space. What is S? Sample space. This we represent with capital S. And E be the event. E we represent as capital E we represent as event. Then E is subset or equal to. What all elements are there in E, we are taking from this sample space S. So every element will be there. What all we are taking? It belongs to S only, sample space. So subset or equal to. It won't be outside the sample space. It will be from this set only. The probability of occurrence of event is defined as P of V. Probability of occurrence of an event. P of E, the meaning of probability of occurrence of an E means event, is equal to number of distinct in E by number of distinct in S. In shortcut, N of E by N of S. So what is the probability formula means? P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. Event, sample space. So this is the introduction of this chapter probability. So read the formula. P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. Exercise 27, first problem. A coin is tossed once. First bit, describe the sample space S. What they are asking to describe. If you subscribe this channel, then you can understand this sample spaces. So subscribe, then you can understand what is describe. The sample space. Second one, find the probability of getting a tail. You know already, coin is, this is 2 rupees coin, this is head and this is tail. So what is the sample space means? Either head, when I toss this coin, either head or tail will come. Both will not come. Either one will come. So what is the solution? Given a coin is tossed once. All of you know this, how to toss. This is not a new lesson. For every cricket match you will be seeing batting or fielding, they put toss. So I did not explain much more about word tossed. Now we are asking first bit, sample space. Sample space, that is equal to, we represent as N of S. Either head or tail. So two chances. In that any one will come. Now what is the first event? The next question is find the probability of getting a tail. So they are asking probability of getting a tail. How many tails are there here? Only one. So they represent event as n of e. That is only one tail will come. Now here how many sample spaces are there? 2. And here how many events are there? 1. Now probability of getting, probability P of E is equal to n of E by n of S. That is equal to n of E is 1. Only one chance. How many sample spaces are there? Means 2 are there. So what is the answer? Means 1 by 2 is the answer. This is the way of finding the probability of getting a tail. Second problem. 2 coins are tossed simultaneously. Describe the sample space S. Find the probability of getting first bit 2 heads, second bit at least 1 head, third one at most 1 head, and fourth one exactly 1 head, fifth one no head. Now in my hand there are 2 coins. If I toss these 2 coins simultaneously at a time, how the sample space will come, I am going to explain to you. First they told to describe. I told you, if you subscribe, then you can understand what is describe. So subscribe this channel. Now solution given. Sample space of 2 coins tossed simultaneously. Means at a time. How to write means all of you see. Like a song you learn. Head, tail, head, tail. This is the way of getting sample space. Both may come head, or one may come head, one may come tail, or one may come tail, one may come head, or both tail. This is the way. 4 ways are there. For 1 coin, 2 ways are there. For 2 coins, 4 ways are there. Keep in mind. So n of S, the meaning of sample space when 2 coins are tossed simultaneously, n of S is equal to both may be heads, or head or tail or head, or both tails. So how many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore n of S is equal to 4. Keep in mind. Before we got n of S 2 because 1 coin. Keep in mind. Sir, what about 3 coins? That also will explain coming problems. Next, now find the probability of getting 2 heads. First bit I am going to do probability of getting 2 heads. Come on, see here. How many chances are there? Getting 2 heads? Only 1. Here single, only 1 head only. Here there is no at all, head also not there. So the event is what? Probability of getting 2 heads, that is equal to n of E. This is the event. Only 1 chance is there. Now probability means P of E is equal to n of E by n of S. That is equal to n of E 1 by 4. So therefore the probability of getting 2 heads is equal to 1 by 4. Second bit, probability of getting at least 1 head. First of all, what is sample space? We know head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail. Means we got n of s as 4. 4 ways are there. Now they are asking what is the event. What is the event means at least 1 head. So n of e, at least 1 head. Here 2 heads are there. Here 1 is there. Here it is not. Just 3 chances are there. Right? At least means minimum. So in 3 cases head we are seeing. So that is equal to 3. Now they are asking probability now. P of E is equal to n of E by n of S. That is equal to 3 by 4. Able to follow? Therefore, the probability of getting at least 1 head when 2 coins are tossed simultaneously is 3 by 4. Write that conclusion. Third bit, probability of getting at most 1 head. At most means minimum 1. Here are same. When 2 coins are tossed 4 ways. The sample space is 4. And the event here is at most 1 head. At most 1 head. Here 2 heads are there, no problem. At most. So probability of the event is equal to n of E by n of S is equal to 3 by 4. For this one also the same answer. Therefore, the probability of getting at most 1 head when 2 coins are tossed simultaneously is equal to 3 by 4. Write that conclusion, full conclusion. Fourth bit. This time they are asking find probability of getting exactly 1 head. This is the 4 ways. Sample space we got 4. And what is the event means? Exactly 1 head. So how many are there here means for us? These are the 2 ways. Exactly 1 head. Means we got 2. Now they are asking probability now. P of E is equal to n of E by n of S. That is equal to 2 by 4. If there is a table cancellation, you can cancel. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. That is equal to 1 by 2. Next, fifth one, probability of getting no head. What is the sample space? 4 ways. Head tail, tail head, tail. Like a song you learn. No head means only one. What is the event? No head means only TT. That is equal to 1. Now P of E, probability formula, n of E by n of S. That is equal to 1 by 4. What is the answer? 1 by 4. Conclusion, how you are going to write? Therefore, the probability of getting exactly 1 head when 2 coins are tossed simultaneously is 1 by 4. Write that conclusion. Third problem. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. This time 3 coins. Describe the sample space S. We have to first describe sample space S. Find the probability of getting first bit at most 2 heads. Second bit at least 2 heads. And third one exactly 2 heads. How to get sequence or how many ways will come, I'll explain you clearly. base is 2 and power is 1. One coin is tossed 2 to the power of 1. 2 ways. Are you able to follow? 2 is base. This time 2 coins are tossed. 2 twos are 2 square means 4 ways. Next, base is 2. Base will not change. 3 coins are tossed. Head or tail, head or tail, head or tail. This time 3 coins. 2 cube means 8. 2 twos are 4. 4 twos are 8. So 8 ways will come. So if you remember this one, very easy. Common base is 2 and these are the number of coins. Suppose 4 means 4 coins are tossed means, tell me now. 2 to the power of 4. How much? 16 ways. But we are having up to 3 coins only, don't worry. Okay. Now listen carefully. First 4 you write heads. First 4. Head, head, head 4 times. Next you write next 4 tails. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. First 4 heads, next 4, 8 ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have learned the song just now. When 2 coins are tossed, how many ways means? 4 ways. Head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. Once more please. Head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. Are you able to follow? Listen carefully. If the song is nice, what they'll tell? Once more please. So once again you will repeat. This is the way of 8 ways. No need to by heart. Logic. I am not at all doing any magic. Just logic. First 4 heads, next 4 tails. Head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. Once more please. Head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. So these are the 8 ways. So these are the sample space. They told us describe. So solution given. What is given? They told to describe the sample space. Sample space means S. When 3 coins are tossed, when 3 coins are tossed simultaneously, this word is very, very important. Simultaneously means at a time. At a time, simultaneously. N of S is equal to, now you are going to write 3 heads, head, head, tail, head, tail, head, head, tail, 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 head, head, next tail, head, tail, 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 head, tail, tail, tail. These are the 8 ways. N of S is equal to 8 ways. Keep in mind. They told to describe, we have described. Now first bit. Probability of getting at most head. At most means more or less. Less also, but head should be there. At most. Now first we will write N of S. Head, 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 tail, head, tail, head, head, tail, tail. Next, this time tail, tail, head, head, tail, head, tail, 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 head, tail, tail, tail. First 4 heads. Next, head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. Next 4 tails. Head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. So N of S how much is 8. 8 ways. You can write vertically here, then you can replace in a horizontal way. Easy method. Now, see the probability. What is the event they are asking here? What is the event means? Getting at most head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At most, more or less. Head, tail. Head, tail. Head, tail, head. Head, tail, tail. Tail, head. Tail, head, tail. Tail, head. How many came? N of E? 7 came. Now probability. P of E. Probability of getting at most head. N of E by N of S. That is equal to 7 by 8. This is the way of finding the probability of getting at most head. More or less. Less also no problem, but head should be there in each case. Just a minute. Probability of getting at most 2 heads. Here 2 heads. At most. Minimum, or what we can tell, at most 2 heads. This is the question they asked. At most 2 heads. Or more. At most means more than 2 or less than 2 also. At most 2 heads. Now listen carefully. Same only. More or less. Here more is there. Here 2, here 1 it is less. Here 2, here 1 and here 1. At most 2 heads. So 7. Same. At most 2 heads also. Therefore write the conclusion. Probability of getting at most 2 heads. What is the meaning of at most? More or less. Now second bit. Probability of getting at least. Before we did at most in the previous problem. Now at least 2 heads. Means minimum 2 heads and 2 or more than. Before at most means more or less. Keep in mind. Now here what is the event means? At least 2 heads. Here 3 are there, no problem. Here 2 heads are there. We can take this. Next here also 2 heads are there. We can take. Here we can't take. Here again it is there. We can take. Here only 1 head is there. Here only 1 head. So at least minimum 2 heads should be there. More than 2 also no problem. So how many we got here? N of E. We got 4 ways. Now what is the probability? P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. That is equal to 4 by 8. 4 table goes, 4 ones are, 4 twos are. So 1 by 2. So what is the conclusion? Right. Therefore the probability of getting at least 2 heads is equal to 1 by 2. Probability of getting exactly 2 heads. Exactly, only exactly. Now we understood the difference between at most, at least and exactly. Be careful regarding the meanings. For every problem you have to write this one. I forgot to write, but you write. I told with mouth, but I did not write. Let E be the event. I told, but you have to write. What is the event? Let E be the event. Getting. In words also you have to write. In words also. Getting. For every problem you have to write. What is the event you have to mention compulsory? Exactly 2 heads. Exactly. So we represent event, number of events, how many we got like this means exactly this we won't take now because 3 are there. Exactly 2 only. Head, tail. Head, tail, head. Next, here only 1 is there. Here 2. Tail, head. Any more? No more. So how many we got? Exactly 2 heads means 1, 2, 3. So N of E we got 3. Now they are asking to find the probability. Probability of getting exactly 2 heads. N of E is equal to N of E by N of S. What is N of E? 3. N of S is 8. Is there any common table to cancel? There is no common table. If common table is there, you can cancel. But here there is no common table to cancel. So keep 3 by 8 as 3 by 8 on. Conclusion, you write. Therefore, the probability of getting exactly 2 heads is equal to 3 by 8. Write that conclusion. Fourth problem. A die is thrown once. What is a die? You know, it is in cube shape. 6 faces will be there. This is not a new lesson. All will be playing with this die. On each face, you will be finding dots. 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots, 4 dots like this, 5 dots, 6 dots. So, how many faces will be there in a die? 6 faces. What is the probability of getting first bit an odd number, second bit a number greater than 4, third a number less than 5, and fourth one the number 5. So here solution given. Sample space of a die thrown once. What sample spaces will get means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces. Each face 1 dot, 2 dots like that, 3. So how many sample spaces means 6 will be there. We are playing now. We are in game spirit. So you can understand more. Before we tossed coin, game started. Now we took a die. We are throwing, we are rolling. Which comes the top face, that we will take into account. You know all this. Now, first bit. What is the first bit? An odd number. What is this one? Let E be the event. Let E be the event of getting. You have to write this one. Before we did not mention, now mention for every problem. Let E be the event of getting an odd number. N of E is equal to, odd numbers. Pick out odd numbers. 1, 3, 5 are the odd numbers. So, how much you got now? N of E is equal to 3 we got. Here N of S, how much we got? 6 we got. Here N of E 3 we got. Now they are asking to find probability of getting what? Getting an odd number is equal, we represent as P of E. P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. N of E how much? 3 by N of S 6. Common table is there. 3 goes 1 time, 3 goes 2 times. That is equal to 1 by 2. How much we got? 1 by 2. Write the conclusion. Therefore, the probability of getting an odd number when a die is thrown once is equal to 1 by 2. Write the conclusion. Second bit, probability of getting a number greater than 4 when a die is thrown once. So, what is the sample space N of S? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When a die is thrown once, means N of S we got as 6. Let E be the event. Let E be the event of getting what? A number greater than 4. Greater than 4. So what are the numbers greater than 4 means n of e is equal to 5 comma 6. Two ways are there, two chances. So n of e is equal to 2 we got. Now they are asking to find the probability of getting. So probability. Don't be lazy, be crazy of writing all this working. Working is more important than getting an answer. So you have to write this working compulsory. Probability of getting a number greater than 4. Greater than 4. Now formula. Probability mean of an event is P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. Are you able to follow? So that is equal to 2 by 6. Here common table is there. 2 ones are, 2 threes are. So how much you got now? 1 by 3. Write that conclusion clearly. Therefore, the probability of getting a number greater than 4 is equal to 1 by 3. Conclusion is very, very important. Now third bit. Probability of getting a number less than 5. We know the sample space of a die thrown once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Less than 5. Less than 5. So let E be the event of getting a number less than 5. So n of E less than 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. 5 will not be there. Less than or equal to means then 5 also you have to write. Keep in mind, read properly. So n of E, how much we got? 4 we got. 4 ways, 4 chances. Now probability. Probability of getting what? Getting a number less than 5. Less than 5 means P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. That is equal to N of E how many? 4. And S, N of S 6. Here 2 table is common. 2 goes 2 times, 2 goes 3 times. How much you got? 2 by 3. So write the conclusion. Therefore, the probability of getting a number less than 5 is equal to or is 2 by 3. Fourth bit. Probability of getting a number 5. Only 5 should be there on the face. Here sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n of s is equal to 6. What is the event? Let E be the event of getting a number 5. So n of E is equal to only the number 5. How many? Only 1. So n of E how much we got means 1. Write that one. N of E is equal to 1. Now find the probability. Probability of getting a number 5. A number 5. P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. What is N of E? 1. N of S is 6. There is no common table. 1 by 6 means 1 by 6 only. So therefore, conclusion. Probability of getting a number 5 is equal to 1 by 6. Write that conclusion clearly.